Kasi like you mentioned kanina, you mentioned your family, di ba? And you everybody knows, especially sa community, that you came from
The political
a
family.
political family. So bakit napadpad ka sa bakit hindi ka nagpolitika?
Ayoko doon. No, kasi
Like why?
I've seen, siguro yung, ako yung eldest apo eh. So yung lola ko, nung bata ako, parang sinabi, kailangan ikaw yung responsable, ikaw yung panganay, you need to set a good example sa mga pinsan.
Former
May lola
president.
Cory, yes.
Yes.
Was very close, like, I super love my lola. Lola's boy ako.
Okay.
Ayun, so I grew up na kailangan, hindi ako pagalitan nila. Like, I gotta keep lola proud, happy, ganyan. So,
You're older than ba, Makino?
hindi ko siya, tito ko siya.
Tito mo siya.
Yes.
Okay.
Yun. So may pressure sa akin growing up.
I see.
Kailangan protect the name. And nung tumakbo si Tito Noy for Congress, pinakampanya kami in the summer, house to house, yung pagod kami magpipinsa. Gusto niyo pang tumakbo? Ayaw na namin tumakbo.
Ganun.
No, so it's, and I saw na it's a thankless job eh. Kahit tama yung ginagawa mo, mali ka. Ganyan. Like, and I saw that with my Tito Noy's administration. And ayun, he really did love the Philippines, and I felt like yung one of the main causes of his sickness was that heartbroken siya from the people, yeah. Kasi parang he did yung, my mom asked him na, Noy, okay ka ba? Ate, before going to meetingin siya sa mirror, and nagawa ko ba yung dapat kong gawin? Tama po ba yung yung first long?
So he was reflecting. Was this after?
During this time, yung tama pa ba yung ginagawa ko? And yes, so nakakatulog siya. And he's straighter than a ruler. Na yung kung anong dapat, yung you can't bend the rules, sorry. Ito dapat eh. Ano nga ba yun? There was this politician, siguro in the last 2 years, said na, ang tanga-tanga ni Pinoy hindi yumaman. Siyempre, you're not supposed to make money.
Wow.
Yeah.
Just a few more. So yung during
Yung lola's time ko kasi, may mga, yung hindi ko pwedeng kunin, kunwari may candy, ganyan. Lola, pwede ko ba, sa gobyerno, parang, ang gobyerno ba may-ari nung tsokolateng yan? Ganun. Hindi, pwede mo kunin yan. Yung tipong, I can't, and that's not ours.
So there's this, what do you call this? Parang, is it ethics or parang mentality that we are people na parang...
Yung parang, it's really true public service na. And sabi ko, nung namatay si Tito Noy, and kami magpipinsan, parang, you know what, this is a thankless job. Like, no one, I'm not saying parang many weren't appreciative na wala rin makakalimutan ka rin. Ba't pa? Nagkaroon na kami ng cynicism in the...
Yeah. Really? I wanna ask about, kasi before Cory died, parang Pinoy was not really parang in the forefront of
hindi talaga.
Diba? So what happened there? Can you
nung
go
nasa
back there?
the funeral, yung going to Manila Memorial, nung ililibing na, so nasa SLEX kami, tas katabi ko yung pinsan ko, and then sa nakaupo, kasi may mga naglalakad next to the bus, and we opened the windows para makausap sila, ganyan. Tapos, sinabi, no, for president. Tapos nagtingin ako ng, yeah, right.
Talaga? Kasama pa si president nun? President Noy?
Nandun siya, oo.
Oo.
Tapos, no one knew. Like, none of us knew na he was gonna be president. And pinagtatawanan lang na biglang, oh my God, like, mukhang may call for him.
Oh nga, there was a clamor, di ba? There was, how did it feel that kumbaga, almost instantaneous
Oh no, ganun. We're gonna
Oo.
go through the microscope again. And kami, magpipinsan, mature na and alam na yung mga nangyayari. And mas mahirap din that time. I had a story na nakalimutan ko. Ito. Obama went here.
Okay.
And I had the comic book
Okay.
nung Amazing Spider-Man. Tito Noy, pwede ko pa ito ipasa? Hindi pwede.
Talaga?
Oo. Bawal.
Bakit daw?
Yung hindi siya siguro, yung parang you gotta be formal.
Yeah, I see.
Damn it.
Okay.
Pero if there was one na pwedeng, yun yung chance, CGC, ganyan, hindi pwede.
Oo nga, no? But syempre, tito mo yun, no? But of course, nakita mo naman yung mga sinasabi ng mga tao, and especially in the election nung 2016, all of a sudden parang naging villain yung mga Aquino, 'di ba? So how did you take it?
Hindi na lang ako tumitingin online. Yeah.
Oh.
The best, ignorance is bliss.
Really? So you really was you is it the same way with the rest of the family, or?
I speak for myself. I don't know. Pero
I see.
sinasabi ko para, you know what, ma'am, ngayon ka na tumingin online para hindi ka na maasar. Ganyan.
Oo nga eh. Kasi, to me, hindi,
People were saying na siguro daw yung kasalanan ng tito ko was not addressing the fake news early on. Hindi kinombat kaagad. Yun yung,
which fake news was?
I don't, parang yung that time, nung term niya. Kasi Facebook wasn't big and it was still starting nung 2010. And ayun, yung hindi, dapat daw, looking back, dapat na stop yung fake news.
Oh. Kasi, I have friends that work in Malacanang, and from what they've told us, parang bilib na bilib sila kay Pinoy eh. Na parang he was a mathematician daw, sobrang talino daw talaga, mga ganun.
Economics major
diba?
siya eh. Oo.
Sabi ko, nagulat nga ako eh.
Kami rin, nagulat. Kasi, my mom was saying na out of all the parang before, parang I think any of us can go. Tapos mali. Si Noy lang may kaya nito. Ganun.
Talaga? Wow.
Kasi yung mga hard calls na gawa niya.
Actually, kasi it's just that kasi no, to me kasi as a regular citizen, no, during that time wala pa rin man ako masyadong paki sa politika eh. And I thought Pinoy wasn't perfect, but pero yung demonization na nangyari sa kanya, especially during the Duterte era, parang it was really there were really
That's
people
why I felt na yun heartbroken siya.
Oo nga. Meron talagang, I'm sorry to say this, but ano siya, meron talagang nakikita kong mga post, parang siya yung pinakang masama. Mga Aquino yung pinakang masamang tao sa Pilipinas.
Mahirap, you don't see people, wala talaga silang matapon na basura, kaya nag-invento na lang.
Oo nga eh. A lot of things. I'm sure there are things that you can criticize him for, but I don't think he was the worst thing. Di ba? Parang
no.
Oh.
Yeah, not perfect, pero ginawa niya yung best niya.
Oh, and also to Cory, di ba? Can you talk about your lola for ano?
Well, about her
how you knew her?
saint.
Really?
Ayun, lola's boy ako, pero I was still too young to know what happened back then, yung mga coup attempt, ganyan. I remember, parang ginising ako, and then, ba't saan tayo pupunta? And then, may malaking hall, naglatag ng mga mattress sa tulog nila ako. Pala, may mga, our lives were in danger at the time.
Oh. You were in Malacanang back then? Or?
No, we didn't stay in Malacanang. We lived in, my lola didn't didn't want to stay in Malacanang.
Yeah. Oo nga pala. Yeah.
Parang may yung Malacanang corrupts you and
I see.
dito tayo sa ibang bahay
Okay.
na malapit. But the family stayed there for security reasons, I guess.
Mm-mm. I see. So you had to evacuate nung ano?
Oo, pero yung lola ko kasi siya yung matriarch ng family and yung always the right thing yung ginagawa. So, kung ano sabihin niya, okay, ito yung tama. For me, yun yung nasa isip ko.
Why would you call her a saint?
Because I never saw her do anything wrong. Yung ang bait niya sa mga, mapagmahal talaga siyang lola. Yeah.
Based on as a public servant, what can you say about her?
Too young at the time. Pero mahirap kasi it was the transitioning revolutionary government and bringing back democracy into the nation. Yun. And she had a lot of sacrifices, like giving up. Maraming, again, too young to understand at the time. Pero marami siyang mga nag-give up na stuff para lang
Personal things.
Yes.
So, sacrifice talaga. And, kasi,
tumanda,
actually,
both my lola and my tito, tumanda sila after,
after their terms.
like my tito, siyempre, gone too soon yun.
Oo nga, no?
As in, napagod talaga siya.
Heartbroken, like you said.
Yun pa.
Wow. So, how does the Aquino name, how do you carry it?
Ako same pa rin, just don't do anything wrong. Kaya, I think, yung name na yun carried on to my current role na, but hindi ko kayo nanakawan, ganyan. Kasi may iba reps abroad na wala na dahil they found out yung nanakawan yung artists. So I think yun, with that name, the artists trust me.
Oo nga, no? How about your lolo?
Hindi ko siya nakilala eh.
Hindi mo na
Yeah.
nabutan? Okay.
83, I was born 85, he died 83.
Oo nga, bata pa nga pala si na Chris noon, no? So, yun. Anything else that you wanna add about your family's legacy?
Oh, wala naman.
Okay na.
Para ka
How about Bam Aquino's win?
Ayun, nagulat talaga. Like, yung last election, nagdadasal kami, sana makapasok ng 12, ganyan. Bigla nagulat kami, ha? Wow, ganyan.
Number 5 ba?
2.
Number 2, nga,
Yeah.
2. Si ano yung...
Nagulat talaga kami, and we're thankful na yun.
Why do you think that happened?
Magaling yung campaign niya eh. Tinanong ko, sabi niya, pare, iilan lang kaming lumalabas talaga yung grassroots, and sinabi niya na si Kiko Pangilinan, sobrang sipag daw yung little sorties, as in, hindi niya pinapalampasan. Kaya nag-5 din si Senator Kiko.
So what was the reaction when you saw the number 2?
Like, thank you Lord. Ganyan. Nakakatuwa rin.
How about the campaign noong were you part of the Pink campaign nung
Hindi, I wasn't really involved.
really?
Oo.
But Bam was really
Campaign
involved.
manager.
Di ba?